Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So you are now upgrading your DJI Mavic Pro, so time to sell the old one and get the new one. So what you need to do and how to do factory resetting, I will be showing you in this video. You don't forget this step because you are passing on your personal file, plus the DJI will be keep registered into your name. So what you need to do is go to the dji.com.au and then go to the download center, and then you look for the DJI Assistant 2 for Mavic, and if you don't have any option you can select from here. So DJI on the left side, and there is two software. One is for Apple products and the other is for your normal Windows one. So I am downloading the Windows 1 file, and now it is being downloaded. So now the file is downloaded. You just have to install DJI Assistant 2. So now the file is downloaded. So now just you have to install DJI Assistant 2. So now program is installed now. So it is installed now. So the program is open now. I have to just put up the DJI and attach to the USB drive. So the connector is attached, and put up the other side to the USB, and now turn on this. So my drone is connected now, so you have to click on that. So it is all open. So we don't need to update, we can ignore. So now what you have to do is just have to press restore factory defaults, so it will clear off everything. So it is asking me to confirm. You have to confirm. So it is doing the factory resetting to default. So all done. So it is all done. Thanks for watching guys. Now you can sell this drone to the other purchaser. Thank you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.